juicy. Got a lot more rain recently. See the stream's right up. I only just get over the bridge. Hello everybody and welcome to another wildlife nature vlog episode. We're up to number 8 now. We've had a lot of rain. It's been really wet these last few days, but I have managed to get out when there's a break in the cloud, just like it is now, and I've been putting that time to good use to learn more about my new camera. I got some more photos of the young buzzards yesterday. I took out a small tripod with me and I had it propped up against my chest, and it just kept the camera a lot more sturdy, and it allowed me to get some much better quality photos of the buzzards, which you will no doubt be looking at now as I put them up on screen. But I've just been and had a look in the last half hour today, and I could see them flying around, but there weren't any sort of perched on their usual log, because I was looking for a place to try and put the wildlife camera, but the log that goes across the stream, it's surrounded with holly and brambles, and you can't get to the base of the tree while it's fallen over to actually climb across to the other side of the stream, where there's sort of a little sapling standing by the fallen log. I was going to put the camera on there because that's where the young buzzard sits, but it was just too treacherous. The log was covered in moss, very slippy with all this rain, so I thought best not to. I'll maybe try that another day or rethink it, but that'd be great if we could get some close-up footage of the buzzards. For those of you that have been following this particular series of vlog episodes, the Wildlife and Nature series, you'll know that I've just returned from Wales, and I've been back in West Lancashire a week, and on Friday I'm heading off again. I'm off to the Lake District with my kids and my mum and dad, and we'll be spending a lot of time snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, and just chilling out basically. So the next video you see will be coming to you from the Lake District. I won't say exactly where just yet, but look out for that video. That'll be coming soonish. Obviously I'll struggle to edit the video whilst I'm away, so you might have to wait a little bit longer, but I will get it out as quick as I can. The video, that is. I've been getting a lot of feedback from you about some of the apps I've been recommending, and books, bits of equipment. You've been trying them out and you've liked them, so I'm happy with that. That's great. That's what YouTube's all about. It's about sharing knowledge and passing on recommendations, hints, tips, that kind of thing to people who are watching like yourselves. So that's great to hear. So keep them comments coming, and keep letting me know about any of the apps or bits of software, bits of kit that you're using. And if you've got any recommendations, then by all means leave comments, which quite a few of you have been doing. So that's great as well. There's a lot of pigeons around here, a lot. It always seems to be the case that whenever I look out the window, contemplating whether to come out or not, and if it's been raining and it looks like it's pretty gusty out, I dress accordingly with my trusty Montane Featherlight jacket. No sooner have I gone out, 20 minutes later, the sun comes out, it warms up, and I'm absolutely sweating cobs. Whew. It always seems to happen. I always seem to be overdressed. Just going back to the photography side of things, I apologise if I'm boring you with this, but it is something I'm really getting interested in, and it just makes, when you go out for a walk, it just adds a bit more interest, gives you something else to do. Pigeons again, loads of them. So I'm just building up my kit slowly. I've got the camera body, obviously the Nikon D7000. I've got the old 135mm lens, manual focus, built like a tank, love it. I've also got the 55 to 200mm Nikon telephoto lens, which is the one I've been using to take photos of the buzzards recently. But it's just on the edge, so I'm looking at now getting a 70 to 300mm lens, which on a crop sensor camera will take that up to 450mm. So that's going to be great, that'll be really good. So yeah, I'm looking at getting one of those, and I'm also looking at getting a carbon fibre monopod, so I might have to save up for that. But I think rather than just buy something to do for now, I think it's better to just wait that little bit longer, save a bit more money, get something that you really want that's going to last. And like my mate always used to say, when the price is forgotten, the quality is always remembered. I've tried to stick by that, so I'll no doubt be showing you those as and when I get them. If you're into your photography and you've got any recommendations or tips for wildlife photography, then please leave a comment down below, because I'm all ears. Now. Can hear the buzzard. Do you hear it? It's over that away. That's where I live, there. Let it focus. And where I've been watching the buzzards is in that woodland there. That's woodpecker wood. Yeah, can definitely hear them. I just want to clarify, not all that is where I live. I'm not a lord or anything. I've just got an apartment in that block, before you start commenting. Over the last couple of days, I've noticed an increase in one particular fungi, which I think, having looked through various books and online, I think is called the blusher. If you can tell me any different, then please leave a comment below. But there's definitely a lot of that about in the woodland, amongst other things, but that one in particular seems to be widespread, and I think it's called the blusher. But yeah, if you think you know it's something else, then please let me know. Starting to find a lot of these on the ground as well. That one literally just landed beside me, nearly hit me on the head. So yeah, that's obviously the horse chestnut, which is there. But then just behind it, we also have the sweet chestnut in this woods, in woodpecker wood. It's the only one. It's a really nice tree. It'll be bearing fruit soon. I'll be looking out for those. Last night I went out and I actually got a tip off from somebody who I met during my walk. They told me about some barn owls, and they said little owls as well, but they weren't quite sure. And they told me the location, so I went out so late evening to check that out. But I never spotted anything. But what I did do is I took some night photos, and also when I got home I put the camera on the tripod and I tried to take a picture of the moon. My first attempt with the DSLR, and it came out alright. So that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or you haven't yet subscribed, then please click on the icon here or the one down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. And that one will be in the Lake District, location to be revealed. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video in the Lake District, probably in the kayak or the paddleboard or underwater. Anyway, join us, it's going to be a good one.